Imagine a continent so cold and remote that it hides entire lakes under kilometers of ice, ancient ice millions of years old, and creatures no one expected. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. And Antarctica is changing the way we understand our planet. Stick around, because by the end, you're going to question everything you thought you knew about Earth. So here's the thing. Antarctica isn't just frozen. Beneath the surface, there are hundreds of hidden lakes, completely dark and untouched. Scientists recently discovered 85 brand new subglacial lakes, bringing the total to over 230. Crazy, right? Imagine a whole secret world under the ice, maybe even with life we haven't discovered yet. These lakes aren't just mysterious. They move and interact in ways that affect the ice above. They could even influence global sea levels. Mind-blowing, right? And it gets crazier. Some of the ice is over 6 million years old. That's older than humans. This ice is like a time capsule, holding pockets of ancient air that tell us how Earth's climate used to be. Can you believe that? We're literally looking back in time. Scientists are decoding this ice to learn what the planet went through before humans even existed. Here's a thought. If we can see how Earth's climate changed back then, maybe it can teach us about what's coming next. Now, Antarctica isn't just lakes and ice. New footage shows a shark swimming in these icy waters, a total first. That's insane. It makes you wonder, what else is out there that we haven't seen yet? Imagine being a scientist witnessing this for the first time. Your jaw would drop. These cold waters are full of surprises. Some species adapt in ways we never thought possible. It's like a hidden ecosystem waiting to be explored. But wait, Antarctica isn't just about biology. Deep under the ice, scientists built the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory. Basically, it's a giant detector for ghost-like particles from space. Think about it. The coldest, most remote continent on Earth, listening to the universe. Mind blown, right? Would you visit it if you could? While we're uncovering all these secrets, Antarctica itself is changing fast. Some glaciers are retreating faster than ever before, and yes, that affects sea levels all over the planet. Imagine your city dealing with even a few feet of water rise. Scary, huh? What do you think? Will sea levels rise dramatically in our lifetime? Antarctica isn't owned by any country. It's protected by something called the Antarctic Treaty. Signed in 1959, it was designed to keep the continent peaceful and dedicated to science. No military activity, no mining, no national ownership. But here's the question. How long can that last? As technology advances and as resources become more valuable, some experts wonder whether Antarctica will remain untouched forever. Imagine a future where nations compete not for land in space, but for what lies beneath the ice. Oil, rare minerals, fresh water locked in glaciers. Right now, it's protected. But the real mystery might not be what Antarctica is hiding. It might be what humanity will choose to do with it. So let me ask you something. Should Antarctica stay completely off limits forever, or should we eventually explore and use its resources? There's something else happening in Antarctica that most people don't talk about. Scientists are racing to drill deeper than ever before, not just through hundreds of meters of ice, but through miles of it. Why? Because the deeper you go, the further back in time you travel. Some research teams are trying to extract ice that could be over 1 million years old. That would completely reshape our understanding of Earth's climate cycles. Imagine holding air in your hands that existed before modern humans. And here's the crazy part. Drilling into these ancient layers is extremely risky. If the ice is contaminated, the data is ruined. If they accidentally disturb a sealed ecosystem beneath it, we could change something that has remained untouched for millions of years. So the question becomes, are we explorers or are we intruders? Now let's zoom out for a second. Scientists talk about something called a tipping point, a moment where change stops being gradual and becomes irreversible. Some parts of Antarctica may already be approaching that threshold. If certain ice sheets collapse, they don't just melt quietly. They trigger chain reactions. Sea levels rise, ocean currents shift, weather patterns change worldwide. And what happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. It affects New York, Miami, Los Angeles. So when we talk about this frozen continent, we're not talking about something distant. We're talking about something that quietly shapes the future of every coastal city on Earth. Antarctica is no longer just a frozen wasteland. It's a hidden world full of ancient ice, secret lakes, strange creatures, and even cosmic physics. If you want to explore more mysteries like this, hit subscribe and ring the bell. And tell me, what should we uncover next? Drop your idea in the comments. I might cover it in the next video.